What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moms and Dad's channel. Today I'm going to view this fig plant, which is super big and it's Moms and Dad's favorite fig plant. And if y'all don't know that I'm the fig kid number 4, born after 3 kids. So today I'm going to show you how this fig plant grew so big. I think there's one more fig plant which is going to grow to its size, but then this one will grow even bigger that time. This is part 1 of the fig plant I was talking about. Its name is Nur'Edda. Like I want to say, it's like Nur'Edda. This one, Mom and Dad has posted a lot of pictures of its fig. Wait for part 2. This is part 2 of the plant I was talking about. So my sister plucked out a fig. It was light brown. And then after that, she tasted it. It was very crunchy. Wait for part 3. This is part 3 of the plant everyone's crazy about. Wait for part 4. My sister plucked out a really ripe fig that the juices were compact inside the fig. Wait for part 4. Part 4 is the most important part of this plant, crazy plant that everyone's crazy about. This is part 4 of the plant everyone's crazy about. This plant gives us the same thing we give it. Y'all think y'all are tired? Well, I'm more tired. My sister made me do 1,000 videos tired. Anyway, so let's get to the point. We give the plant a lot of nutrients. The plant gives us a lot of nutrients and things. We feed it through leaves and soil. And look how productive it is. Peace out. The end. Bye-bye.